Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we can add multiple desktop. In Windows 11, you have an option to have multiple desktop. For that, you need to right-click the taskbar. Right-click on the taskbar settings. Go to task view option and you need to enable the task view. You will see an option here for task view. It is showing desktop 1 and you can create one more desktop. Clicking on plus icon, clicking on plus sign, you will create a new desktop. Click on plus. You have now two desktop. If I am working on any of the application or I am doing something on desktop 1 and I am doing some other activity on desktop 2, I can rename this desktop 2 as my application, and whatever I am doing on desktop 1, that will be available only on desktop 1. If I open the browser, if I open any other application, calculator, and if I open File Explorer, so all this I have opened on desktop 2. Click on the task view and come back to desktop 1. Click on the task view again and you can come to desktop 2, which I have renamed as my application. If you wanted to create another desktop, simply click on plus. It will create one more desktop. If you are in any one of the desktop, there is also a shortcut key to switch between the desktop. You need to press Windows and Control and right or left arrow key to switch between the task view.